Drop it. Yep, perfect. Double.
Went under the fence. Oh, here he comes. That is take a walk. Whoa. Wow, they caught it. And that was Kevin. Uh-oh. Tim got that one too. 2 outs, 5s on 1. Out at second. Whoa, that's a hit. And Otis is running for the rev. Whoa, that's a stop.
Leg it out, Red. Leg it out.
Everyone's safe.
Leg it out. Leg it out. Leg it out, Gary.
Nice play. Out at second. Everybody safe and a run came in. Oh boy. And it's down. Good stop. And bases. Oh, here comes Gary's coming in. Safe. And the runners all advanced too. Oh, that's down. Oh, good stop by Jerry. There they go. Oh, very nice. Uh-oh. It's down. Uh-oh. Oh, he's out. That's out there. Okay, this is run number 5. Very good. Good job, kids. Top of the second. The score now is 5-3, and the Parrots have the lead. Oh boy. Got through. And Ray made it to first. Out at second. Safe.
That's the same with me. My knee.
Out at third.
Good. Come on, Ed. Keep going. Come on, Ed.
Okay, here comes Ed's coming in. And John, the pool player, is coming in too. It's down. And Jake's going home. And he made it. Whoa. Oh, and it's overhead. And oh, this is gonna, I think this is gonna be a home run. He is run number 5 too. Look at this. Nice job. Got through. And there goes Jim. Uh-oh. Oh, I hope he's all right. Oh, dear. Safe. Oh, boy. Oh, so close for Paul. And safe at second. Bases are loaded.
That's it.
That was out. Bases are loaded. 1 out. Out at home. And that's out. The score at the top of the third is 8-5. Pizza now has the lead. Oh, no.
Nice stroke. Go. Ahead, Mike, go. Play, Ronnie.
So, and then today, the canopy stand was
Oh boy, out there. They had a nice. Oh boy,
You're good.
he got some people in. That was a good hit. Nice trip. 5's on 3. Uh-oh, and he's coming in. There he goes. And that's another 5 innings. Oh, that's Jerry. Good job. Oh boy. Oh wow, Ronnie, nice job. Top of the 4th. The score now is 13-5. Pizza are in the lead. Stop. And Ed made it. That's down. John Moore. Oh, it's under the fence, so there's a limit now. Okay, no end to hold. Good job. Nice stop. And out at home.
There they are.
Okay. This is bringing 1, 2, and holding there. Under the fence. So that brought in a run, and the guys have.
Yes!
It's down. 5's on 3. Oh, that's down, and this is run number 5. Got through.
One's good.
Out at second. They're very good at that play. Got through. Down. And everybody safe. And that's an out at 3rd. Top of the 5th. The score is 18-5. Pizza has that lead and is not letting go.
That's right. It's a little ominous, isn't it?
Nice stop. Out at 2nd.
Out at 2nd.
Whoa, Ray. Oh boy, right where there was nobody. So let's see what happens. Oh man, oh man. Definitely bringing Paul home. And Ray's going to come home for a home run.
Go, Ray!
Nice stop. Wow.
Yes!
I think he made it.
That's safe.
The original guy is. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Oh, John, good. And safe. Whoa.
Right, up the middle.
Nobody was on 2nd.
Way off.
Whoa, Rev! Ho-ho! Okay, and that's bringing in
5 runs in, side out.
5 runs in. Ay. 2 outs. That got through. There goes Kevin. Man on first, 2 outs. And he's safe and he's going. Whoa. Oh boy. Ay, ay, ay. Bringing in a run. Oh, Gary hit. Bringing in a run. And gonna hold up. Oh man, look at this. 2 outs, 5s on 1. Oh my goodness. He caught it. He held on to it. Good job. 23-9. Pizza guys have that lead. We're going to do double inning now. Let's see what happens.
You got it.
An egg. I was right behind her in right field. She had an egg. She had an egg that happened 2 seconds after the shot. No explanation.
Oh, there they go. Everyone's holding. No outs, bases loaded. Oh boy, getting through. And 1 in and the bases stay loaded. Oh, that's a, whoa, nice catch by Tim. It was a good hit by Ray. Way out there. Bringing in 1 run, bringing in 2, and bringing in 3. And he's gonna hold up. That's a nice triple, pretty powerful. And this is run number 5. That's out. Oh, ouch. Almost getting tested tonight, and that's good. Good play. And out at second. So they got nothing on that, and the score remains 28-9. They're going to do a double inning. Let's see how they can pull it out in this unlimited inning. He made it.
I keep on dancing.
Oh, that's Ray.
Daddy's gonna turn the jerk right now.
Say,
Shake it, baby. Come on and show me how you work.
and that's
Now
another.
you're in motion. Daddy's gonna do the locomotion, yeah.
Elmo again.
Don't hurry, keep away. Shake it,
Say,
yeah.
2 outs, bases loaded. Elmo, holy cow, that was very good. That's the end of the game. And there was nothing accomplished yet either. Final score is...
What is it? 28-9.
28-9. Well, that was quite a game. Here they go. So happy together.
Sunday?
Hey, who?
There you go. Look at that.
Yes.
Thanks, Rev.
And who?
Smudge.
Who are those guys?
That's my son and my daughter-in-law.
Yeah.